Hey guys, my name is Ajay, and today in this video we are going to talk about Amazon Cognito and its how to create its user pool and its configuration. So what is AWS Cognito? AWS Cognito provides an authentication service for applications, and it is serverless. You don't need to manage any database or servers to handle user data and authentication flows. Cognito can handle those tasks. Imagine a web application need to access AWS resources using AWS SDK with authenticated users. A straightforward and a simple way of doing this would be include a secret key of a AWS user to enable access to AWS resources. But this is less secure. It is not possible to restrict access to certain users. That's where user authentication comes into play, either with Cognito or with external authentication providers. To allow AWS resources access to users with authentication provides incognito. Identity pools are used. Identity pools can provide AWS access via multiple external authentication providers such as Facebook, Amazon, Google ID, OpenID, Connect providers, and SAML identity providers. This is called federated authentication. So we are in this video we are going to create user pool, and I'm going to show you how to configure it with it. So let's get started. So I have created three HTML pages, basic HTML pages. One is index.html, another one is logged.out.html, and logged.in.html. So like we are going to create this demo website for logging in and creating user pool. We are just imagining there is a web page. So this is, I have tested it, so I'm gonna remove the link for login and logout. So let's get started here. So this is our body and this is our logged in and logged out page. As you can see, this is the login demo page. So I'm gonna start Python -m HTTP server, and you have to see your local host. If you have not installed Python, then install it. It won't work without Python in your system. So if I'm clicking on register or login, the page isn't responding, so we are going to add the link of AWS for creating user pool and logging in the system. So we are going to create user pool. I'm going to use by default Cognito user pool and only email here. As per your app requirement or the website requirement, you can click on username or a phone number, but I'm going to use only email here. So I'm going to click on next. Cognito default. We can also like set the custom rules for the password, like capital letter is must always on, but I'm gonna click on without special letters or upper letter in the password. So I'm gonna use no MFA because it's a demo, so I'm not using anything else. User account recovery, how can the user can recover their account? So I'm gonna choose only email only here. Self registration, yeah, you have to click it on self registration, and other things will be like by default send email messages and verify. If your app is using phone numbers, so that you can select the send SMS and email if verify. So this is required attributes. I'm not going to select anything, but you can select it according to your requirements or like according to your app, how to user sign, like which information you need for the from the user from the sign up according to your requirements. So I'm gonna for the demo app, send email with Cognito. I'm gonna name it user pool name test user 121. So I'm gonna click on your hosted authentication pages. This will provide the link for the login and logout, and the sign up link also. So I'm gonna use the AWS domain. Like I'm gonna simply use F only. Okay, we'll use KL. So this is according to your type, how which type is your application or the web app is. So that's why you are going to choose it. App type. Account. So I'm gonna name it app client name. We are going to name it. But we should name it. So okay. Static page. Login. So and allowed callback URLs. So we have created a domain earlier. So we are going to copy that link here. We're going to paste it here. Control A, Control V. So let's go. Add, and then you like if you want to like add multiple pages login, so you can also add in here. This is going to be default for so you can select or 2.2 OpenID here, but I'm going to choose only email and OpenID. This is our attributes and read permissions for the users. Click on next. I think there's an error. Okay, there's a space between kl.auth. There's a space. We have to remove that space. Yeah, as you can see, there's a space. We have to remove that. Okay, let's go create next. And this is to check the what all the configuration we have done. Create user pool. So as you can see, our pool is created. Let's open it. There is no users right now. So app integrations, app client name. Click on the app client at the bottom of the page. You will see app client name. So open view hosted UI. Click on that. So here's our login page. We are going to copy it and we are going to paste in our demo page here. Let's click on it. Let's click and save. Let's save it. And we are going to open and refresh and open it our local page. And yeah, as you can see, there is a sign up button. We are going to put the mail. Oh, we need to sign up first. So I'm gonna mail, and this is gonna be our password. Sign in, sign up, and there will be a verification code. Let's see, gmail.com. We're going to check our spam mail. Yeah, there's a verification code here. Copy it. We are going to copy it. We are going to copy it. Confirm account. Okay, let's go. It's confirmed. Now we'll check our AWS user pool. I'm gonna check our AWS user pool. And this will be our signing in. So there's nothing, though it will show the blank page. Yeah, so let's check our user pool here. User pools, users. I'm gonna refresh it. Yeah, as you can see, there is a one user and it is confirmed. We have entered the OTP for the verification, so it is saying the verified. Okay, that's it from this video, guys. Hope you have learned something today, and see you in another video. hit the like button and subscribe.